Right then, here we are. St.Mary's Church, Mosterton or Mosterton. Have a wee look. Nice wee graveyard. Nice and sunny today. It's got one war grave. Lovely old yew trees, isn't it? Beautiful. On either side here. That. Lovely windows. Stained glass. Beautiful. You hear the crows crowing. I've tried a new setting on the phone and it's doing its own thing. Super slow. And there's one lone war grave on the first floor. I don't know if you can see that. It says A.W. Loveless. J-92232 boy, second something Royal Navy, second class, Royal Navy HMS Powerful, 18th of September 1918, aged 18. So, he's the only one in the graveyard. I don't know if the church is used much. Let's see if it's open. It's open. Right. Oh, it's lovely and cool in here. Lovely and cool. Now. Oh, look at that window. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Right, they've got a ceiling. What do you call them? Sort of hanging ceilings. And it seems to have a lot of damp up there. And then, so, carpeted floor. And something's popped up for about 3 years. Things. I don't know half the features on it. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's got a tracker. That's beautiful. Look at that. It's amazing. So, St.Mary's Mosterton. Let's have a look at the Mothers Union. Tabard. Yeah, we're looking up the other end. Or down the other end. It's not a very big church. But hey. Cool. Photograph of it. That's there you are, the 7th Sunday of Easter. Oh, there's a little organ in the corner. Beautiful. King and country. And that sort of area again. Another king. That's beautiful. I think I'm going to take it off this right now, back in the normal setting. Smells a bit musty in here. like a cat that get in, sort of thing. Right, just going up into the pulpit. There we are. See that? Another memorial. Thing there. This is what the vicar can see up here. As I say, not a very big church. It's got a balcony up there. It's probably used as storage. I've passed this wee church a few times. So you can see the light up here. Look at that. You put it on the normal setting, it's a bit shaky. I don't know much about the stained glass window. I'll find out about it at some point. Wee tooty organ. This looks like a little font. This one, a little stone font of sorts. Got Axioses on it. Right. Nice pews. Nice solid wooden ones. Little wooden cross. This is nice. There's your right, what do we got up here? Beyond the light. This chapel was rebuilt and enlarged in the year 1833. Contains 359 sittings. Blah, 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 blah. You can read the rest. There's got a nice plaque that side, and also on this side. Cool. Now, look at this Last Supper. Right, shall we try upstairs? Seems to be open. It's a bit musty in here. It's making me choke and cough. Oak leaves. Oh, a bit rickety. Maybe not.